Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me MOTOROLA Razr, and now I can show you how to fix a screen if it's not responding on this device. So first thing you need to try to do, of course, is to log and unlock your device. So just try to close the lid and open it again. And if this didn't help you, so press power button and release it. Press and release it again. It doesn't help you too. So man, you need to force restart your device. To do it, press and hold power button and volume up buttons. Press it and hold. Press and hold until your Motorola device will show you Motorola logo. Then, after Motorola logo will be showed, you can release the power button and volume buttons too. That's it. As you can see, in my case, screen is responding, but if in your case it's not, it means that maybe you have screen damage, and it means that you need to go to the service center. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.